Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, June 9, 2023. Yesterday, the markets opened lower but closed strong, closing up at the highest closing price of the week this week as we come into this Friday morning. And what we're going to be looking at this morning is what has happened historically following that pattern on a Friday specifically. Let me go ahead and get this set up. We're going to use all four instruments here. Our setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, we're trading a little bit lower in the overnight session. Not much, but we are trading lower. I'm going to add gap down in the direction here. This is important for this study. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library. And I'm going to say yesterday closed at the highest closing price of the past 5 sessions. I'm going to grab that right here. Hit equals here next to day after a 5-day high close. That's also available in the active today. Right there it is, but I've already got it selected. So next thing I want to do is go to the indicators library. Put us in a similar market environment. We closed above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. And the last thing I'm going to add is from the calendar library. I'm going to say that today is Friday. I'm just going to hit equals right there next to Friday. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you are gapping down on a Friday following a 5-day closing high in a bull market environment. Historically, we have 127 samples here in the S&P, 130 in the NASDAQ, 126 in the Dow, 109 in the Russell. Looking at the win rates on them, S&P coming in at 61% of these closing above the opening print for the session. For the NASDAQ, it's 55%. For the Dow, 59%. And for the Russell, 49%. If you take a look at the average moves, you'll see that the average move to the upside just a little bit larger here in the S&P. That's also the case here in the NASDAQ. The Dow is a little bit larger on the average loss, but pretty similar in size. And then the Russell just slightly larger on the average win. So 3 out of the 4 have a little bit larger average wins compared to their average losses. 3 of the 4 have win rates that are a little bit favored, with S&P being the strongest at 61%. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.